The standing cable lat pullover trains the lats, isolating them through shoulder extension. To set up, set the pulley to the highest setting and attach a long rope attachment. If your gym doesn't have one, you can attach 2 rope handles together. Grab the handles and step back to tension the cable. Hinge into an RDL stance, pushing your hips back with softened knees. Next, raise your arms straight up and push your head through your shoulders to get a good stretch on the lats. For the action, on the concentric, extend your shoulders, driving your hands toward your butt. Try to keep your elbows fairly straight with only a soft bend in the elbows. On the eccentric, reverse the action by raising your arms above your head with control. For proper alignment, keep your elbows fixed, as flexing or extending them excessively will shift the focus onto your arms rather than your lats. Lastly, keep your arms tight to your body. Your upper arm should graze your ribs on the way down.